Hey YouTube, we are back with another wig review. Yes, we here with the Organique Shake and Go 36 inches on them. Okay, color copper. Let's go. You know, it is that copper season, that pretty reddish color, and Organique came with it. Okay, it is such a pretty color. Okay, as soon as I can get it out, I'm struggling a little bit. We can get right into it. But before I go too deep in, hope you guys are staying safe. Health is our wealth. And make sure you guys take care, okay? So yeah, we got the Organique. It's 36 inches, light yaki. Very beautiful texture. As soon as I can get it out, we can look at the structure of it. Yeah, they secured it, okay? So compared to the color I have on, which is by Outre, their color is, I believe it's like cinnamon brown, but it's so pretty. It's like this red, so you know that's what's in right now. This for fall and winter, these reddish, pretty copper colors, cinnamon colors. Yes, but look at this one. It comes with baby hairs already. I turned it inside out so you can see the structure, showing you the clips. We got one in the back, two on the sides, and then the middle part is supposed to be the parting area. Structure, nice, strong. Let me give you guys a close-up. Here we got some straps, adjustable straps, and then we actually, it goes around with a silicone-like material, so you know, no slip, mad grip. Period. Okay. Yes, 36 copper. Pretty, okay? Light, pretty, yaki, nice texture, realistic, very natural, real cute. So let's put her on, okay? Here we are with her installed. Let's get in close. Not too fond of the parting space, but I didn't put my concealer on. This is straight out the box. And as you see, it doesn't go all the way down to my ear. So that's something else to consider. You know, I didn't do the best glue down either. So, you know, I had to make it a little quick. But yeah, if you're tucking it behind your ear, be aware. You will need to do some work to make sure we secure baby doll, okay? So yeah, here we are from the side. It's giving, so cute. Cannot deny that color. Hello, pro on pro. Okay. Part, that's most likely the con. We gotta do HD, okay? We gotta come a little better. But other than that, this is cute, okay? It is nice for fall. The hair is really good. I'm not getting too much shedding. I didn't do too much. I did light brushing, and you see I can't stop touching her. So let's look at her from the side. And then let's view her from the front. Very cute. Quick little throw on. You know, when you got to just, you know, hurry up and do something. She's it. This is a good little go-to. I'm still kind of getting a little cosplay with it, but let me put my concealer on the middle and work it out. I didn't tweeze lose anything or anything like that. So light shedding, nothing major, few strands. And you see I'm constantly playing with it. I'm running my fingers through it constantly, and off camera I was brushing it a bit. But yeah, look at her. She's very pretty, okay? That copper shake and go, it's ready to go. It's really pretty. Light, not heavy at all, but a good density. And length check 36. Yes, very good, y'all. It's really nice. So yeah, I would give this like an 8 out of 10. It's really cute, guys. Thumbs up, right? And if you have time and if you like this, go ahead, like it. Show your girl some love, okay? I'm trying to show y'all, let's get us cute. Affordable wigs, affordable looks. Let's be cute, okay? All right, so I'm standing up so you kind of see what it looks like. I'm 5'6", so you can see how it kind of falls on me. It's long, it's thick, it's a good length, but it's not too heavy. Okay, this is a good wear. Most likely be comfortable. Here's our last little walkthrough. Yeah, so if you guys like, please comment below, like, subscribe, everything. I am here. We are here in this together. Thank you guys so much for being with me. I appreciate you. Bye.